I'm Andy from Nexus Ramps. Our specialist or our core business is making buildings accessible. So we basically take a building that could be either a residential or commercial building and put either ramps or steps in to make it so that people who are not able-bodied and also able-bodied people can get in and out of the building absolutely fine. So I've been a customer Switchboard Free for many years, and we use it for our inbound and outbound calls. We have it on our mobile phones, we have the soft phone on our laptops, and obviously we have the desk phones as well. So the reason we picked Switchboard Free is the fact that when I was obviously using my mobile phone, people would get my private number, ring me any hours of the day and night. By using the Switchboard Free system, it allowed me not only to have a local number, but it also allowed me to be able to screen the calls and have time of day routing, and also divert the calls where I wanted them at the times I wanted them. It's a UK-based company, and the actual telephone support when we ring up or we email in is absolutely fabulous. You get to speak to a person and they deal with your problem, your query there and then, and I can just say the support is absolutely amazing. Starting with Switchboard Free was really easy. There's a portal that you can go on so you can configure all your settings that you want. Handsets were delivered via a courier, really easy, plug and play, power in, Ethernet cables in, job done. The phones are all configured pre-delivery and it just started working. We've got 3 desk phones here in the office. We've also, like I said, we've got it on our laptops and we've got it on our mobile phones. As a small business, I have staff in the field, I have staff working from home and also in the office. We've set all the time of day routing up. We've got all the different team call groups on the phone, so when an inbound call comes in, it goes to different desk phones, it rings our mobiles. We can answer it wherever we are, whether it be in the field or whether it be in the office or whether it be at home. So some of the great features we've got is the fact that you get email alerts if you miss a call, you get call recording, you get voicemail emails as well with the file attached. We can divert calls to any handset and also transfer them within the organisation between desks and also between our soft computers. So we have different teams and different groups set up on the Switchboard Free portal. So some of the calls, depending on when staff are working, will ring certain handsets certain times of the day and certain times of the week, and it'll ring other handsets other times of the day and other times of the week. So there's a whole team's part on the website that you can configure to how you want it, depending on when your staff are in, to make sure that calls are appropriately routed to that person that needs to take it. Some of the features that we do use, the music on hold is really good. They keep up to date with the music on hold. What's quite good is at Christmas they put out different tunes, so you can have a Christmas on hold, or you can have an appropriate different music depending on what's happening in that time of the year. There's lots and lots of variants that you can pick from. One of the features we've just recently started using is the multiple departments. Initially we had just a single point, but now we've introduced multiple departments. We reached out to the support team at Switchboard Free. They recorded us a custom greeting for each one of our departments, which was fantastic, and within a few minutes that had all been uploaded. They configured it with us, helped us to make sure that the routing was correct, and we're now using that for our inbound phone calls. The AI greeting feature is something we've also just started using. Our regular customers that we deal with, because we deal with a lot of older people, we've actually put their names into our phone system via the Switchboard Free website. So when they call in, it greets them with their name. They feel more welcome, feel more valued, and that AI greeting is just a really good function that we use. Another feature that we use is the call recording. Some of our customers, we do listen back to get the specification or take their caller details, their phone number, their address. So the fact that it emails us a copy of the call through is really, really good, and we log that on our system. Call screen, and one of the really good features of Switchboard Free is the call whisper. So when we answer a call, we have the setting turned on, so straight away we know what department it is, whether it be from our bathing department, our access department, or someone looking to talk to our finance department. That's really, really good, so we know straight away where the calls come from and how to answer it appropriately. Custom prompts, one of the other functions that we've got enabled is when people call in, each of the departments, also the business, has a greeting message bespoke to us as a business. This was recorded by the team at Switchboard Free, uploaded to the system, so all our departments and our main numbers that come in are all appropriate, and they welcome our customers with a fantastic greeting. Another function of Switchboard Free is the mobile phone app that you can download, Android and iOS. This allows you to use your Switchboard account and dial out anywhere in the world. Like for myself, I've been overseas in St. Lucia and used it on Wi-Fi to dial out, giving the impression that I'm in my office in Lowestoft, and therefore my customers can deal with us. It stops us also having to give out our mobile phone numbers and stops really expensive international calls. Since using Switchboard Free, our business has definitely grown. It's allowed us to track our calls, get the missed call alerts, get the voicemail alerts, and get the call recordings. With Switchboard Free, we have various geographical numbers in this area. It's helped us build our business in the Lowestoft area, having a Lowestoft number, and obviously customers in the Norwich area bring the Norwich number. So that gives us a really good footprint across the area that we're working, and it gives the confidence of people to be dealing with a local business and the fact that they're not ringing a UK non-geographical number. I would highly recommend Switchboard Free. It's really helped us with our inbound and outbound calls. It's allowed us to do so much more than a standard phone system.